Speaker sir, people of Vasco constituency facing problem due to constant shortage of water supply. I would like to bring to the notice that the overhead tanks of Vasco constituency and around are linked to the water supply, need urgent attention and require maintenance repairs. People staying nearby tank at New Adam residents fear that the cement keeps falling. It requires cleaning. It has been understood that many years past, no cleaning has been done. People here are saying it has been dirty. Speaker sir, उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम शॉर्टेजाचो प्रॉब्लेम वास्को आसा. फोन तांकां डिपार्टमेंटाक केलो जाल्यार डिपार्टमेंट म्हणटा लायटी खातीर कितें तरी
स्पीकर
प्रॉब्लेम.
सर, इट इज नोटेड. कारण पावसांत खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात लायट वयता. लायटीकाराक विचार म्हणजे तो कारण तें आसा.
पावसान सर शॉर्टेज जातकूच लोकांक आनी
परत अशें म्हणू नाका उदीक भायर आनी भितर मेळना म्हणून.
ना 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 उदक आसा. तुमी मातशें कॉर्डिनेट करून
करता.